To add or update pages like About or Contact, from the dashboard on the left side, go to Pages, and then in the top, click Add New Page. Give the page a title. This is really important for SEO. We'll call this page Contact since we're going to need a contact page later. To add elements to your page, which we call blocks in WordPress, click the plus button in the top left, and then add your blocks by clicking on them. Save your progress at any time by clicking the Save Draft button in the top. And then click Preview to see what your page looks like. I'll close this tab. Whenever you're done making edits, click Publish in the top right to make it live. Notice that you don't see your logo or your footer in the editor. That's normal. The editor only shows the part between your header and footer. The header and footer are considered global elements. To delete a page, you can do this from the Page Editor in the right sidebar and click the Move to Trash button. We're going to keep this particular page though, so I'm not going to click that. You can also delete a page from the main dashboard. We'll go back to the dashboard by clicking the logo in the top left. And then here in the Pages Manager, hover over the title of the page you want to delete. In our case, I'll delete this destination page, and then click Trash. To permanently delete a page, go to the Trash tab in the top, and then click Empty Trash.